today we are here for a beauty challenge.
We are going to make a dress with hair.
I'm so excited.
We have to cut, to brush, so we will see.
Let's start.
Now we are doing some sketches.
My inspiration is Mugler and Jean-Paul Gaultier.
And me, I will do this, maybe.
Oh, incredible.
But it's very long, so I don't know if we have enough hair.
So we have the line of the hair. For my creation, I want some lines straight.
Me, I will begin by the neck. Like this, I can do the enclosure. I have to measure the hair to know if it's possible. Yeah.
It's a little bit bold, but I'm challenging myself and I think it's good.
And me, I'm fighting with this hair. Oh.
So I fixed the first weft of the hair.
Congratulations!
Thank you. So now I use the technique of the can work for the front and the middle of the part of the dress.
I used again the braids, but I have too much hair. What?
What the f?
We have to speed.
Now I'm fixing the hair on the breast. I want to create a feather-like effect.
Whew. Again fighting. It's a war. Now I'm doing the job of Dorian, the hairstyling, but it's not very straight. That's so sad to cut too much hair like this, but it's synthetic, so that's okay. Oh, it takes form, little bit.
No. We have to run.
Yeah. I removed that. It's finished for me. That's too much straight. It doesn't follow the shape of the body. Maybe I just have to change the place. I'm doing a fail. That's so hard to work with hair. It's a fabric for hairstylists and no designer. It's a nightmare.
Really?
Yes. I don't know how I can hide the tits.
I almost finished, just the final touches.
Me, I have no words. It was so difficult, this challenge. It's so hard. Next time, do wig with fabric. Yes!
It was a great experience.
Yeah.
So now I go to sleep. Bye.
We can begin by the worst, because I'm not happy about my creation. It's very slippery. It's not easy. It's the hair are curvy, so we have to do treatment before to put them straight. Whew! It was a big challenge.
I had to straighten the hair because I wanted to have a straight shape to contrast with the round shape here.
Your shape are better. I love the waist with the can work and the falling of the dress and the volume and the shapes on the sides. No, it's very nice.
Thanks for watching.
And be nice with the comments, please, because we just have 5 hours to do. And see you next time for a new challenge. Bye.
Bye.